Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a two-parter: tease the season to 12 days of Hoppy Scrappy videos, and then mine for Christmas Memories YouTube Inspiration Hop with Miranda. And it's day number 9, which is Christmas Future. So the tease the season is with Audrey Yeager and her group, and all of her information will be linked down below. Along with who is doing that hop. And then my hop is the Christmas Memories YouTube Inspiration Hop, which will have all of mine down. And now I put them all together because ultimately both of the themes go together hand in hand. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to do it together because fortunate enough, I am getting close to being done with my December documented for this year, which is fantastic. However, I got behind, and this should have went up on Sunday the 20th, but instead it's going up on the 21st, and I've got to work on 21st layout and that and the other. Twisted turn of events, I guess. I am still negative for COVID. Still that. I am, as of today of me doing this voiceover, which is on the 21st, I can bust out of my room or out of my house because I'm done with my 14-day quarantine due to what the Army gives us here on the installation. However, I have been extremely exhausted, and it had nothing really to do with like my iron that I have, because I am anemic, so that does affect me quite a bit, and it affects me during the winter time due to not always having that much sun out. So I am still negative. I have not, there's no like, yes I am, no I'm not. I'm still negative. However, I think I have a little bit of the cabin fever touch. And, when people say that they get cabin fever, I'm like, yep, I remember that. But man, let me tell you, it has set in extremely tough for me, extremely tough. So I was super exhausted, and the last 2 days I was caught up. I did all of my voiceovers pretty much all the way through until Saturday. And then I had this layout done, and then I slept for 7 hours. I woke up enough to eat. Thank God my daughter's old enough that she'll just come in and wake me up if she needs something and whatnot. So she just plays in her room upstairs while I am napping, just so that if she does need something, she certainly can come get me. But yeah, I ended up like exhaustedly tired. So ultimately, here is what I am doing. I took the same cut file from the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop and cut it out 3 different sizes on 3 different types of paper. The paper that I am using is Serenity from Close to My Heart. I will link that information down below because it is still available. I did do a lot of fussy cutting off camera because this collection, as much as I love this collection, it is really, really white. And I wanted just some of the blues to show. Excuse me. So I wanted to make sure that that was really showcasing in this layout, because the picture that I'm using is Christmas Future. So Christmas Future is like, what type of traditions do you want to keep going? Are they the old ones that you want to keep going? Did you try something new one year and want to keep doing that? Something like that. So while we were in Europe, we found out about the pickle. Sorry about that. But one year we found out about hiding the pickle. I guess it's a Bulgarian or Bolivian, or I don't know, some type of tradition over in Europe. And so I purchased this pickle, and we start to find the pickle. Well, this pickle is getting a little bit too big. I've got to go out and find a smaller pickle now, because my daughter can find the pickle pretty easily because it's a little bit bigger for her eye, and she is getting older. And so I've got to get one of the smaller pickles. But that photo was taken this year, and I did scrapbook this photo this year because I forgot to take the photo last year of the pickle. And so I was like, you know what, this is a tradition that started well into my family with my husband and I, because we've been married, it will be 10 years in March. And we started this tradition in 2014 when we went to Europe. At the end, because we got over there in October of 2014 and we found out about the pickle, at least from my friends. We never really started doing it until 2015 when I was able to get a pickle, to be able to find the pickle. So that is what the photo is. I do my journaling across the bottom and through the side. You'll see what I do with that. And then I take, I do then take my black marker and draw a line. So one side's got my journaling, the other side's just got some lines just to offset that. My date goes where this stamp is. Make sure that you go check out everybody down below. There's tons of inspiration. I am super sorry that mine is up a day late, but I will be getting everything done. You guys will have all of your content that you're supposed to have for me because I absolutely love doing this. It's not something that I just love doing this. I just absolutely love this. And I added a little bit of the gold throughout this, not too much, because there is some splatters on this paper that you see as well. And but I really wanted to stick to like that blue theme with that touch of gold. Now y'all know that I don't like gold, but when it's there, there's nothing I can do, right? So the title is Pickle, and it's right on top of my photo. In the still shots, you'll see it a little bit more, and in real life, you can see the word pickle. They are black. They are the Snowflake collection from crepe paper is the thickers that I use. So I still mix and match, even though that most of this collection is from Close to My Heart. I still brought in my stash. But you guys can definitely check down below all of that information for Close to My Heart, this collection. Everything about it is going to be down there along with everything else. I do use some of the gems. That is the color of the year. And I'm placing down some of the dimensionals on certain pieces. I just want to be able to make sure that it stays, but yet have all of that dimension. Wait until you see the still shots. The still shots show the amount of depth that I put in this, but it still fits into my album just nicely. Here is where I'm talking about my about the tradition, and then the other side will be lines, and I feel that that works out wonderful. It makes it look cohesive, because I really wanted to not have to document a lot on this page, because I really wanted to stick to the blue. So I hope you enjoy this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I am rounding this video out with some shimmers, some sunflowers. You'll see me do some drops, and I do some thicker drops this time than watering it down. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.